If you're a parent of a non-speaking child, today I'm going to show you how you can create a communication board just like this, which will allow your child to communicate using pictures. This one is specifically designed for when you take your child to visit an aquarium. Let me show you how I did it using my computer. Before you start designing, the first thing you need to do is to think about the words your child will be utilizing in a place like an aquarium, which might be very different and likely will be very different than the ones that they are using at home. They might have aquarium-specific words like fish, manatee, and shark. These are not everyday words that they use at home. So make sure you make a list. Think about animals, think about verbs, so actions, touch and go, drink. Think about places. What places in an aquarium you might want to include in that design. I created a program called Smarty Symbols, which is what I'm going to utilize to create this communication board, which you will see it's very easy. And as I'm showing you guys, I'm going to give you more tips on creating your own communication board. All I had to do was select my template, and then I would type in the word I was looking for from my list that I already pre-planned, and then drag and drop those pictures in place. Notice that each word has an assigned color, and that's because of the different types of words that we have. We have adjectives, we have verbs, pronouns. Smarty Symbols already knows the part of speech for each image, so you don't have to worry about that. Just make sure as you're dragging and dropping images that as you realize what color they are, they stay together. So now I want to share with you all the thought that went to that design. You went by pretty fast, so I can share everything. So this here is my somewhat final design, and one thing that you will see is that I'm keeping all my action words together. Kids will realize which ones are action words as that they are looking and familiarizing themselves with this communication board, which will likely not be something they are using every day. They want to go to that location. Now, if you're utilizing other communication boards, you might want to make sure that you're keeping some of the words in the same key places. So for example, on all the Smarty Symbols communication boards, we have the order of I, you, they, friend, and boy, girl. So every time I'm designing something new, I always make sure to keep the order together. Just like we have keyboards, when you type in a keyboard, you might be able to type something super fast without even looking at the letters. The concept is the same thing. So you want to make sure you're keeping the words categorized the same, and you want to try to keep the words in the location if you already have a system that you're utilizing at home to somewhat match that location so your child can get access to the words as they need as fast as possible and as effectively as possible in an aquarium. Here's the best part of this video. I will make this downloadable for free on the smartysymbols.com website. You can download something exactly this anytime visiting smartysymbols.com. Now, if you want to modify this design, you can get access to smartysymbols.com, utilize this one, move the images around just like I did, or create your very own communication board that you can utilize with your child, not just for an aquarium, but for a zoo, for home, and any other place. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Barbara Fernandez, and I am a speech language pathologist, also the founder of Smarty Symbols. Bye.